In this video, we look closely at question 1. Remember, these marks are for Guyanese students who wrote the May-June 2015 exam, 2015 CSEC math results. And to remind you that in this bar chart, the green represented the marks lost per question, and the blue section of the bar represents the marks earned or gained by each student. Now, what was the question? Question 1. The question 1, using a calculator or otherwise, determine the exact value of that expression there. Now, these questions are designed to test the candidate's knowledge, understanding, and reasoning. So question 1 was designed to test candidates' ability to add and subtract mixed numbers. You have mixed numbers there. Add and divide square rational numbers expressed as decimals, and you see in the next example. Evaluate the square root of a rational number. Evaluate the tangent of an angle expressed in degrees, and so on. Solve problems involving shopping bills and sales tax, and you'll see examples of those type of problems on your screen. For example, add and divide square rational numbers. That's another example of a problem there. Problems like these came in. These are past exam paper made during an example, showing you the type of problems and what skills, knowledge, reasoning, and understanding are being tested with these questions. So I've done an analysis for all the questions 1 to 11, showing you what the examiners are looking for, and I'll tell you about the recommendations the CSEC examiners made so that teachers can improve their delivery of the lesson and students will develop a better understanding of what is required.